The VIR extension identifies a virus-infected file that has been renamed by antivirus software to prevent accidental execution of detected malware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or safely handle these quarantined files. We're going to solve this VIR issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. VIR files are potentially infected files renamed by antivirus software by changing the original extension to VIR. This prevents Windows from associating the file with its native application handler, blocking accidental execution of detected malware or suspicious code. Antivirus software renames suspected files to VIR by replacing the original extension. The file content remains unchanged, but the extension substitution prevents the operating system from executing the file through its normal file association, effectively quarantining it in place. Commonly, VIR files use Norton Antivirus, developed by NortonLifeLock Inc. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows cannot reveal the underlying information, so decoding software must be used. Go ahead and right-click your VIR file, then choose Open With. Try Norton Antivirus if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If you cannot access the VIR file, no problem. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, handling safely. Do not rename VIR files back to their original extension without first scanning them with updated antivirus software. The file was flagged as potentially dangerous. Submit the file to VirusTotal at virustotal.com for multi-engine scanning before making any decisions. Next, restoring false positives. If antivirus scanning confirms the VIR file is a false positive, rename it back to the original extension. Add the file to your antivirus exception list to prevent future false positive detections. Verify the file functions correctly after restoration. Finally, permanent deletion. If the VIR file is confirmed, malware delete it permanently using Shift+Delete to bypass the recycle bin. Empty antivirus quarantine folders regularly. Run a full system scan to ensure no additional infected files remain on your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.